Hey everyone! In this video we are diving into a repair that some Roland Juno Gi owners may find helpful. I bought this Juno Gi used, and when I first got it everything was working fine. Over time I started to really enjoy the keyboard for its sound, and the built-in recorder has been a huge help. It allowed me to focus more on recording and practicing rather than spending too much time for editing in the DAW. However, after a few months I noticed the menu buttons started randomly not responding. Eventually the issue worsened and the first buttons failed completely. Upon closer inspection on the battery compartment on the back, I discovered some signs of past battery leakage. The corrosive residue had made its way through open holes in the PCB. The acid from the battery had been there long enough to damage some of the traces on the board, which are essential for the key matrix scan. As a first step, I located the key matrix scan traces and the corresponding controller IC. As I suspected, the keys are read using multiplex scanning. In this method, the controller sequentially activates each column and reads the state of the rows connected to it. I used an oscilloscope to check the signals, which helped me to identify the rows and columns, as well as the defective buttons. This process took a while and wasn't particularly enjoyable. However, after following the traces and cleaning the board, I discovered the large section of the traces had become unstable. Instead of attempting to repair the traces locally, I decided to bypass them with wires. To fix the issue, I identified the SMD components connected to the affected columns and rows. By soldering wires as bypasses, I was able to restore functionality to the buttons, making the keyboard fully usable again. With this solution, the Juno Gi is back in action, and the repair was a success.